Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new and latest Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max 5G. Come with a 6.7-inch ProMotion technology touchscreen, feature crash detection, and a new True Depth 48 megapixel front camera with photonic engine. An extra hour of video play compares to last year's model, and a new action mode that provides smoother looking video with better image stabilization. This is all powered by the Apple A16 Bionic chipset with 6 GB of RAM. So the bodies consist of glass and stainless glass, and offer the 5G broadband. Cellular network is CDMA, GSM, prepaid, and wireless LAN. Clock speed is 3.46 GHz. So they offer deep purple, gold, silver, space black. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So we purchased my own money. So this one out of doors, I think it was like $1,521 or something like that. So, and this is the 512 GB. By the way, I heard that they only have eSIM, no more SIM card tray. Hopefully I purchased the unlocked version, and hopefully this one still offers a SIM card tray, so I could just swap my wife's SIM card in here and start using it. So yeah, this one offers a dynamic island. Instead of the notch, it's like a pill on the top of the screen, and offers always on display. And also offer adaptive true tone flash. It's 1600 nits peak HDR brightness, and 2000 nits peak outdoor brightness. And now it offers a front camera with automatic focus. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside here. So yeah, I told my family members saying this is an iPhone. They said no way, how could it be so thin? And the box looked kind of nasty. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this open. So unfortunately, they don't come with a charger brick anymore. So there you go. So yeah, it's pretty simple. This is the gold color. iPhone right here. Apple logo right here. iPhone again. And another gold Apple logo. So it says iPhone 14 Pro Max, assembled in China, designed in California. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. There's one on the bottom here too. Wow, look at the gold, how it shines. Right here's the camera setup. You have a microphone, charging port, and then a speaker. there's no SIM card tray. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna put the glass protector. Shoot. That means I need to call and transfer the number and everything. That sucks. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot. I'm not sure if I could transfer her iPhone, all the data to this one. And I probably need to call AT&T to change the IMEI number. That's kind of messed up. Let's see what else comes with it. Alright, it says you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your SIM during iPhone setup. For more information, go to apple.com/eSIM. And you only got the one white Apple logo sticker. And here's the USB Type-C to Lightning charging adapter. And that's all you get. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.